Will I ever get it right? Will I ever take it slow? I'm always waiting for the chorus line. I'm always singing to the words I know. Better than I take a risk, better than to laugh me out. I like pretending that the moment waits for me instead of knowing that it never does.